Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Welcome to my channel. Uh, do subscribe to my channel and put a like on my videos. In this video, for Morbid Team Entertainment, we're going to talk about 8mm, 16mm celluloid film and the film cameras versus digital. Since I restored my overhauled and CLA'd my Bolex D8L, just one of my Bolex cameras, 8mm, it has a beautiful clarity to it. When it first arrived, I couldn't even see through the viewfinder. It was full of fungus. And you know, the beautiful thing about vintage cameras is, especially Bolex to me, is that vintage look and feel that it gives to the film, to the celluloid film, me for experimental horror. It doesn't also cost that much to invest in film and film cameras. It's much more inexpensive than digital, regardless of what anyone tells you. If they tell you otherwise, that digital is cheaper than film, it's because they've already invested in all this expensive equipment, softwares and computers, fast hard drives to capture these large images. True, when you purchase an 8mm, 16mm camera, a film camera, you're going to have it overhauled and CLA'd, and that's going to cost you some bucks. But not as far as much as it will with all the cost of equipment of digital. Example, if you buy a red camera, you'll have to buy several batteries because the red camera batteries don't last that long. They don't have that much life after charging. But with these, the Bolex and other vintage 8mm and 16mm film cameras, the look is beautiful. There's that nice, beautiful vintage look that gives to your film production, especially in my opinion to experimental underground horror, and everyone loves that. The good thing also, a lot of young people today are getting into vintage film cameras, and if you're one of those directors getting into the vintage film cameras such as Bolex, come and put a like on my videos and subscribe to my channel. Alright? Again, this is Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Experimental horror films. We're set to start filming in 2023 in the Philippine Islands. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.